Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok sushi bake, so let's get started with the video. Begin by washing 1 cup of sushi rice. Washing rice is super simple. All you have to do is add water to your rice and then stir it around, then remove the water and repeat until the water is clear. When you finish washing your rice, place it in a rice cooker and then add 1 1/4 cup of water. Place the lid on top of the rice cooker and then cook your rice. While the rice is cooking, we're going to make some sushi vinegar. In a measuring cup or small bowl, add 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together until well combined and then set it to the side. Once your rice has finished cooking, place it in a large bowl. Then season your rice with the sushi vinegar. Pour the sushi vinegar on the rice paddle to drizzle the vinegar on the rice. Then mix it into the rice. When you finish seasoning your rice, set it to the side. Next, place 1 salmon fillet on a cutting board. Then coat the salmon in a bit of olive oil. When you're finished, season the salmon with your preferred seasonings. I seasoned my salmon with pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Old Bay, and paprika. Make sure to season both sides of your salmon. Next, place your salmon on a baking sheet. Then bake the salmon at 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Once the salmon has finished cooking, place it in a bowl and then using a fork, break it up into small pieces. When you're finished, set the salmon to the side. Next, using your hands or a fork, shred 8 ounces of imitation crab. Next, chop the imitation crab into small pieces. When you are finished, we can move on to the next step. In a large bowl, add the salmon, the imitation crab, 2 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of Kewpie Mayo, 1 tablespoon of Sriracha, and 1/2 cup of green onions. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set your mixture to the side. Next, in a baking dish, add the rice we prepared before. Then spread the rice throughout the pan and flatten it. Next, add a layer of Furikake seasoning on top of the rice. Now add the crab and salmon mixture. Make sure to spread it evenly throughout the pan. Now bake it at 380 degrees for 10 minutes. Once the sushi bake has finished cooking in the oven, we can now add the toppings. First, add a drizzle of sriracha, next, add a drizzle of spicy mayo, then add some green onions, after that, add a sprinkle of black sesame seeds and Furikake seasoning, and finally add some slices of avocado. And this is the finished result! The sushi bake was absolutely delicious, highly recommend. I saw the sushi bake go viral on TikTok and I just had to try it for myself. It was definitely worth the hype, this was so good. By the way, when you're eating it, take a scoop of the sushi bake, then place your scoop on a piece of dried seaweed. To make it even better, you can add a slice of avocado and cucumber to your seaweed. Adding the avocado and cucumber just makes it even better. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!